Hi, Nip, and everyone over there at TW Roofing. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles, and thank you for responding to me on Facebook. So, the recommendations I wanted to give, you can take these and use them. If you like what you see, feel free to get in touch with me. We can work together. That's fine. But whatever you see here, you can. If you have someone who's already working with you in this kind of way, to build your website, etc. Um, Feel free to give them these tips. Number one thing I have to say is that I could not find your website anywhere. I'm not sure if you have one, and it's pretty important to have a website, and I'll show you why. There's so many people who right now are searching for your business. I have a tool called Ahrefs, and it explores what are known as keywords. Keywords are those phrases that people look for when they're looking for local businesses. For example, roofing contractors anchorage. The kind of people who will be typing this into Google are looking for roofing contractors in Anchorage. And we know that 90% of adults use Google to search for local businesses. So you can see there are about 90 people who search for that every single month. And then by domain, I can tell you the number of people who go to what website. And you can see that quite a few of them go to your competitors over here. I'm sure you would benefit by having this much traffic, even 10 people coming from just one keyword. I'm sure, depending on your conversion rate when you talk to someone, I'm sure you will be able to get more business and grow your business. So it's important to have a website so that you can be seen. Google can see that you're relevant in front of for different searches. For example, let's analyze Premier Roofing Alaska, and you can see that they are ranking. Google recognizes them for a lot more keywords, so that means they're getting a lot more traffic. We can analyze those keywords, and you can see roofing companies, Anchorage, about 350 people type that into Google per month looking for roofing companies, and your competitors get 31 people just because they're in number 4, the 4th position. And the same thing here, roofing Anchorage, metal roofing Anchorage, 90 people. And then position 3, roofing companies Anchorage, Alaska, 70 people search for that per month. This website gets 9 people going there just because of that one keyword, roofing companies Anchorage, Alaska. So what I'm trying to say is that it's important for you to have a website so that Google knows to put you in front of these. And now this short video is just to give you a few recommendations for building your website. And I usually do this for people who already have a website. So let me use your competitor here, Premier Roofing. And the 3 things I want to talk about, which you can implement once you have your website. Actually, I'm not going to use your competitor. I'm going to use a site that I built myself, and it's a sample roofing site. Now, just a little bit about this site. I built it for a company here in Pennsylvania. So the research I did, the keyword research I did, was according to the counties around here. This site is ready to go, and I'm just waiting for someone to finalize and take it. But this is the kind of site I would like to propose to build for you if you'd like to go with me. So the 3 important things that I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So content has everything to do with the front page. Everything that you can see that I am going to highlight here, I've highlighted in blue, all the pictures, the text, any words behind the picture, whatever you save your pictures as, they should be saved as keywords that Google can recognize. Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text, authoritative text on your front page, and also good authoritative text on your other pages, on your other back pages. By authoritative, I mean text that says who you are, the locations you serve, what services you provide, etc. And any little thing that can help Google recognize to put you in front of relevant searches. Within that text, you should have keywords that, and like I said, the keywords are the phrases that people type into Google um, to look for a certain service. For example, roof repair Bucks County. That's a good keyword. Roofing Bucks County. That's something someone would type. And I've done the research to show roof repair Philadelphia is searched for a number of times. So include these keywords so that Google knows you're relevant. Be authoritative in your in showing what you do, where you're located, what services you provide, etc., so that Google knows that you're relevant. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations has more to do with the Google search. So, for example, if I search for your business in Google, what I mean is if I don't know the name of your company, but I'm just looking for a company that does roofing, typically what people can search as roofing companies Anchorage, and we've seen that about 350 people search for that every month. So when you see this, well, when you type in your search, first thing you'll see are advertisements, Google ads. Google ads are hit or miss. A lot of people have ad blocker, and also they become expensive because they pay per click. However, they're a fast way to getting quick leads. Second thing you'll see below the Google ads is what's known as the map pack. Now, the map pack is a group of 3 businesses and the map of the local area. The way you rise here has to do with the second thing, which I mentioned, citations. Citations is anywhere across the internet in different directories that your name, address, and phone number are listed. So the more directories and the more relevant directories that your name, address, and phone number are listed in, the more Google will recognize that you're relevant and put you higher in this map pack. So that if you beat your competitors, and there are tools out there that you can find where your competitors have citations, so that you can not only copy the same citations, be in the same directories, but beat them by 50 or 100, so that you'll always stay at the top here. And the third thing I want to talk about are backlinks. If you think of the internet as a collection of many web pages, a backlink is when one web page links to your website, directing traffic to your web page. So not all backlinks are the same. If a Pizza Hut is linking to you, Google sees that as a bit spammy because you're not in the same niche. It's not really relevant to what you do. But if a roofing forum in Alaska or wherever has a blog and has a link directed to you, that's much stronger, and Google sees that you're relevant. The more backlinks you have, the better backlinks you have, the higher you'll rank in this organic section. So we'll take your competitor and analyze their website. Let's go back to my tool called Ahrefs. This is a popular tool. You can see that the site is here. I'm going to do an overview of their website, and you'll see the number of backlinks they have here and the number of keywords that they're ranking for. Now, 1,000 might look like a lot, but like I said, not all backlinks are the same. So it will take your website person or your SEO person to enter here. You'll see a lot of these are what are they called? Are directories. And then some of them might not even make sense. For example, let's go through. Usually when I see someone with so many backlinks and it's a local business, I'm pretty sure there are some that don't make sense. Or a lot of them are just directories, which are very easy to get into. So a lot of these come from one place, the roofing.org. So as long as, once you're there, and you put in the proper pages, you'll be able to rank close to your competitor. Now, I'm not going to go through, it'll take too long to go through all of their backlinks, but you can see a lot of them just come from one site. So, and I'm guessing that this site is just a directory, roofing contractors directory, yep. So it is possible to come in, place yourself in that directory, and that directory itself will start to place you on different pages, and you'll get more and more backlinks. Not only that, it's important to make sure you know your competitors' keywords, look at what they're ranking for, and look at which other companies are ranking for those kind of keywords. So the other different premier roofing services. Now we can go to their website and look at their backlinks and so on and so forth. So once you cover the backlink strategy, cover your citation strategy, and cover your content on your main web page, then you'll start to rank higher and you'll stay on the front page of Google. And being on the front page is important because, as we've seen, the companies that get there get all the traffic. And I'm sure you can benefit from having, say, 100 more people reaching your website every month. I'm sure your business can grow with that. So once again, I am Charles. Thank you very much. I hope you've liked what I had to show. I also just wanted to mention that this website here, it's almost fully built. If I was going to make you a website, if you would be interested in it, I'd have to do a little bit of research for your area. But the basic structure of this website is already complete, so turnaround time will be very short. Thanks a lot, Nip. I appreciate you, and I appreciate that you've listened, and you've watched all the way here. Thank you. Like I said, you can take these tips, use them to build yourself a website with someone, or if you like what you've seen, please get in touch with me, and it would be great to work with you. Thank you.